Hello friends, I am Astro Pankaj Seth. Today our topic is Sun and Ketu conjunction. Yesterday we know about the Sun and Rahu conjunction. Today we try to know the effect of Sun and Ketu conjunction. As we know that Sun and Ketu is considered enemy to each others. In the another point of view, Sun and Ketu is not so much harmful than as Sun and Rahu, but it doesn't mean Sun and Ketu is considered good placements. Sun and Ketu is a bad placements and it is known as Pitri Dosa. So it will be cause for the issues or obstacles in native's life. Sun is the karak of our eyesight, and due to the Ketu, native may has big eyesights, or as far as my experience in the any charts, Sun and Ketu is conjuncted, most of the peoples will wear the spectacles. So we can say that native may has big eyesights. Sun is the karak of children in the Nadi astrology, as we know that. So Sun and Ketu conjunction may cause for the issues regarding the childbirth. And one another indication is natives may be suffering from the miscarriage, or natives children's health may be big. Our Guru is suggested that if any charts Sun and Ketu is conjuncted and native may be suffering from the child related issues, then he has to do the faithful remedies of their Ishta Devata. Because by blessings of the gods, native will be get the children. Sun is our soul and Ketu is the karak of the spirituality. So if the Sun and Ketu is conjuncted in the charts, then native may be spiritual from the heart. He has a good knowledge of religions, but he also tried to criticize the current religious beliefs. It doesn't mean native will be not religious person. Native will be religious person, but he also try to criticize the old religions or old beliefs that doesn't not stand with the current circumstances. He will be always try to find the actual meaning of any religious beliefs or any religious faith. So he will be try to criticize current faith and try to find out the what is the truth behind that cultures. Sun is the karak of aham or proudness. So when the Sun and Ketu is conjuncted in the charts, native will be full with the self proudness. He doesn't tolerate regarding his ego. If anybody hurted his ego, then he will be violent regarding that persons. He will be very panic for own personality. So keep aware from criticizing that persons who have a Sun and Ketu conjuncted. Sun is the karak of father. So due to the Ketu conjunction, his father may be also a spiritual person. His father may be either any religious guru or either any religious teachers, or will be involved in any sort of religious deeds. Native may be suffering regarding the happiness of father. Lack of happiness of the fathers. Neti may be detached with his father. Or if the chart Sun and Ketu is not well placed, then before the first round of the Ketu, his father may be dead. Means death of the father is possible before 18 years of age. But it will depend on the charts. Sun is a fiery planet. Ketu is also known as the fiery planets. So Sun and Ketu conjunction is indicating native has high body heat. Native may be suffering from the fevers. He may be suffering from the skin rashes. He may be suffering from the typhoid or any sort of issues related to the internal body fever or internal body heat. Ketu is considered as the maternal grandfather and it is associated with the sun. So it may possible his maternal grandfather may be a very popular person or famous person. Thank you. Hope you like my video. If you like, then please subscribe my channels. Thank you. Tomorrow we will come with the moon and Mars conjunction. Thank you.